Hello and welcome to this video on using and installing the OpenDyslexic font. So you can download this font at OpenDyslexic.org, and this is a free font to use for your system to change in Word documents. So after downloading the font, to install it, download the zip file and extract it to your desktop, for example here. And within that file you should have these 4 font files. So just select them all, right click and choose install. So for me it's already installed. Do I want to replace it? I'll do this for all current items. I'll click yes, so you should see them installing each font. So that's them installed there. So if I open up a Word document now and select any text I want to change to this font, select the font type, and you can see here it's in my recent used fonts, OpenDyslexic. Click on it, and now the font is changed to this OpenDyslexic or dyslexia friendly font. If you're using Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, you can actually install an add-on for that within the browser. So this is the OpenDyslexic font for Chrome. I have it already installed, so this button will be install for Chrome for yourself if you're installing it, and it creates this new button in the toolbar up the top. So if I'm on any web page and I want to change the font, I'll just click on this button up the top and toggle enable OpenDyslexic, and you should see the font change now for me. So here it is. Here's the font now converted to that OpenDyslexic font. So that was a quick overview of how to download and use OpenDyslexic.